I added eggs to the lemon and look how it turned out. You will be surprised by this recipe. So keep an eye out. We will need 4 eggs and 3 units of lemon. I peeled the lemons and took the white strands out of the middle. In a blender, add this mixture. We will add 1 cup of milk and half a cup of oil. Turn on the blender and blend well. Don't beat it for too long, so that the lemon doesn't have a bitter taste. After that, let's strain this mixture, to remove some parts of the lemon that remained. And let me know from which city you are watching this video. I really like to know where our videos are going. Now let's sift 2 cups of sugar. It can be crystal sugar, it's better. And we are going to stir to dissolve all the sugar. Do you usually add lemon in your recipes? Tell me about it below. And little by little we'll add 2.5 cups of flour. Keep adding and stirring. Guys, on Instagram, our page is full of wonderful videos. Search for Joyce's Recipe and follow us. Don't forget to watch the videos and to like and comment, okay? Now let's add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix lightly until it's homogeneous. Tell me if you like this recipe. Your comment is very important to us. It encourages us to keep posting new videos. Next, let's grease a baking pan with a little butter and a napkin. You already know the recipe, don't you? Sprinkle some flour too. And then just give it a little stir in the pan, so that the flour spreads. And, right after, we will add our recipe. Here the mystery is over. It is a wonderful cake that we are going to make. Take it to the preheated oven at 180 degrees, for about 1 hour. And our cake is ready. My mold has a removable bottom, so I only took off the side. But if yours is a regular one, it works too. It was super fluffy and delicious. Make it at home and come back to tell me the result. I'm going to pass on a message that is in Isaiah 41:10. Therefore do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be afraid, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will hold you with my victorious right hand. In other words, when we follow God with all our hearts, He takes care of us and protects us. We don't need to be afraid, because God is powerful to lead us to victory. A kiss and until the next video. Bye.
Subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends and family.